In today's episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?
we will be writing a method that determines if a number is pandigital.
What is a pandigital number?
In mathematics, a pandigital number is an integer that, in a given base, has among its significant digits, each digit used in the base at least once.
Before we get started with the tutorial, to participate in this and future coding challenges, register for a free account at edabit.com. It's fun, it's extremely effective, and it's free forever. You can learn more about it by watching the video at this link, now.
Our method will receive an integer, in long format. We create a loop to insert each digit in the number, into a hashset. Because a hashset only accepts unique values, the number is pandigital if the size of our hashset is exactly 10. Our method returns a boolean value denoting whether the number 10 equals the size of our hashset. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Post your questions and comments below. And if you have a better solution, let's hear about it in the comments. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?